every transaction, every diagnosis, every AI breakthrough. In a world where every moment matters and the pace of innovation has never been faster, your infrastructure needs to keep up. Meeting that demand takes more than speed. It requires innovation built for what matters most. That's where Microsoft Azure Ultra Disk sets a new standard for mission-critical workloads, delivering the highest performance and the fastest, consistently low latency of any Azure-managed disk. Now generally available, Azure Ultra Disk is purpose-built for the workloads where downtime isn't an option. Intensive I/O databases like SAP HANA, real-time analytics, electronic health record, trading systems, AI applications, and more, providing up to 64 terabyte, 400K IOPS, 10 gigabytes per second throughput, with consistently low sub-millisecond latency that keeps your business moving at the speed of innovation. Pair UltraDisk with Azure Boost VMs that offload server virtualization processes onto purpose-built software and hardware, unlocking higher remote storage throughput and lower latency for data-intensive workloads. Scale instantly with independent performance and utilize live resize to avoid over-provisioning capacity. That means predictable costs, right-sized performance, and the freedom to innovate without compromise. And with zone redundancy, enhanced reliability, and near-zero downtime operations, UltraDisk keeps your mission-critical apps always on, even at cloud scale. Leading organizations like BlackRock trust UltraDisk for their most sensitive workloads because when the stakes are high, reliability isn't negotiable. Workloads don't just run, they drive your business forward. Ready to move faster, recover instantly, and scale with confidence? Experience the future of high-performance storage for your mission-critical applications with Azure Ultra Disk.